Hello students, in today's video we will talk about electrochemistry, a very important topic for 11th as well as for 12th standard students. Now let's begin. Here we can see a word electrochemistry. This word is inclusive of two words, okay, in itself, which is electro and chemistry. Now what does this actually means, electro and chemistry? Now let's see this in a very simple definition of electrochemistry. Electro means, you will say, electricity or electric energy, you can say. And what about chemistry? This is nothing but chemical reactions. Now we will define electrochemistry as, this is the study of electricity or electric energy is related to chemical reactions, or study of electricity and how it relates to chemical reactions. This is very simple definition, very easy to remember. You can remember this definition by the word itself, electrochemistry, study of electricity and how it relates to chemical reactions. Now there are basically two types of this electrochemical reactions. First type, which is chemical reactions to electric energy, that is conversion of chemical reactions to electric energy. And second one, electric energy or electricity to chemical reactions. So basically, these two types of reactions comes under electrochemical reaction, where there is a conversion between chemical reaction to electrical energy, and secondly, electrical energy to chemical reactions. So these are nothing but the conversions, and both these conversions are based on redox reactions. Every chemistry student must have heard what redox reactions are. So I will simply explain here what is redox reaction. So redox means reduction and oxidation simultaneously happens in a reaction. When there is a reaction which is inclusive of reduction as well as oxidation simultaneously, that is a reaction in which reduction and oxidation happen simultaneously, they are called as redox reaction. Okay, we will make a full complete video on redox reaction separately. But till now, we must understand what is redox reaction. That is, reduction and oxidation happen simultaneously. That reaction, we call it as redox reaction. So both these conversions, chemical reaction to electric energy and electricity to chemical reactions, are vice versa, are based on redox type of reactions. Now, let's see further. Now, very important point, which is spontaneous reaction and non-spontaneous reaction, which means first, that is chemical reaction to electrical energy or electricity is a spontaneous reaction. Very important point. Spontaneous reaction. What is spontaneous reaction? Reactions which does not need any extra force. Okay, these reactions are called as spontaneous reaction. They happen on its own. And the second type of, that is electricity is converted to chemical reactions, they are called as non-spontaneous reactions. Means for that reactions to happen, they will need a separate force, outside force to happen. So electricity to chemical reaction is non-spontaneous reactions, and chemical reaction to electricity, this conversion is very spontaneous conversion, or you can say spontaneous reaction. Now, what is spontaneous? As I said just now, that reactions are capable of proceeding in a given direction with no external energy. No external energy is required for that reactions to happen. No external energy, and here they will require some amount of external energy to happen. So spontaneous reactions are capable of proceeding in a given direction with no external energy, and non-spontaneous reactions require some external energy or external force to happen this type of conversion. Now you will say that what are the applications of electrochemistry, where electrochemistry is used. So we know different types of batteries. Okay, so batteries used in watch, calculators, laptop. So basically these types of batteries are nothing but the examples or applications of electrochemistry. Or toys, batteries used in toys, mobile, camera, everything. So battery is basically example of electrochemistry. Also, you must have heard electroplating. Okay, electroplating is another application of electrochemistry where gold plated jewelry comes under electroplating, or silver plated utensils you must have heard. So these are the applications or examples of electroplating, which is again example or application of electrochemistry. So electroplating is one application, and different types of batteries used in different types of devices or gadgets are applications of electrochemistry. Now, first, we have seen that there are two conversions, that is chemical energy to electricity and electricity to chemical energy. So to study that, we have to study two types of cells, electrochemical cells, two types of electrochemical cells. First cell, electrochemical cell, two types of cells. First is electrochemical cell and second is electrolytic cell. Okay. Two types of cells, electrochemical cell and electrolytic cells, on the basis of which we will study that two types of conversions, chemical to electricity and electricity to chemical. So to study that, these two cells are very important. Now you will think that what is a cell? Okay, cell has different definitions in every subject. That is, in biology you have different meaning, in chemistry you have different meaning, in physics you have different meaning. So basically what is cell? Cells are the devices which are capable of this type of conversions, that is capable of converting chemical energy to electrical energy and vice versa, that is electric energy to chemical energy. So basically cells are nothing but devices which are capable of that types of conversions. And there are these two types of cells, electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Okay, this electrochemical cell is also called as galvanic cell. Electrochemical cells is also called as galvanic cell, or there is another name for this, which is voltaic cell. So in different contexts, you will find different words for electrochemical cell, which is galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Okay, so this was the introductory part about electrochemistry, what electrochemistry is, and what are the applications of electrochemistry. In next video, which is very, very important video, we will discuss separately what is electrochemical cell and what is electrolytic cell and the functioning of both the cells. Thank you.